Hey everyone, I decided to make an interactive poster on the hydrologic cycle, also known as the water cycle. This idea came from the middle school Next Generation Science Standard MSESS 2-4, which is develop a model to describe the cycling of water through Earth systems driven by energy from the sun and from the force of gravity. The core ideas are ESS 2.c, which is the roles of water in Earth's surface processes. Water continuously cycles among land, ocean, and atmosphere via transpiration, evaporation, condensation, crystallization, and precipitation, as well as downhill flows on land. And that global movements of water and its changes in form are propelled by sunlight and gravity. The materials for this interactive poster are fairly cheap. There are paper fasteners, scissors, regular and colored pencils, poster board, and paper cut into equal size circles. You would want white circles, and students can choose to have colored circles as well. So on the white circle, students will draw the water cycle. And then students will label the water cycle. So here are 4 parts of the water cycle. You have evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. So students will paste this circle with the labels onto their poster board. And then students will cut a quarter slice out of their other circular piece of paper, and they will place it over their drawing of the water cycle. So for this cycle, you want the students to cut it into, you want them to cut a quarter out. And then when they lay it on top, you want to pierce the poster board with the paper together with a paper fastener. And then students can rotate the paper to see the different parts of the water cycle. And they can rotate it over and over again to demonstrate that it's cyclical, that it is a cycle. And then after they finish the interactive portion of their poster, they will write the definitions of the different parts of the water cycle on the left portion of the poster. So here I have evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. I thought that this kind of a interactive poster was a good way to show that processes are reversible and that they do go in a cycle. And when you move the circle around, it always comes back to the beginning. It sort of is a tool to guide the students. It's also a tool that can quiz students. They have to remember different parts of the cycle, and they have to guess which part of the cycle is coming up next. Interactive cycles like this would be a good way to review for a quiz. Posters like this could be used at any age. For instance, here is a similar drawing, and this one the students will label just the solids, liquids, and gases of water. So ice, liquid water, and water vapor. When you lay the circle with the slice cut out, they will see that the changes in matter for water are always reversible. You can even add other Earth system concepts to it, such as water runoff, groundwater, erosion, but the purpose of the cycle is to show that water is constantly recycled. All right, thanks for checking out my